In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use editor.wix.com for crafting a visually striking web page that truly represents your brand and ideas. This platform is designed to make web design easy and intuitive, even if you're not a professional developer. Let's get started by navigating through some essential features that will help you create a stunning web page. To begin with, you want to log in to your Wix profile. Once you've done that, locate the option to add elements to your site. This is crucial because it forms the basis of what you can see and interact with on your web page. Adding elements opens up a wide array of possibilities, from images to text and layout options, giving you the flexibility you need to create something unique. Next, focus on adding images. Images are powerful. They can tell a story about your brand or capture the interest of your site's visitors. So go ahead and click on the Add Elements button and then select Image. When you add your image, you can upload one from your computer or use a stock image. Experiment with these options to find what best suits your page's aesthetic. After placing your image, resizing it to your desired dimensions is key to ensuring that it fits well within your site's layout. Once you're happy with how the image looks, it's time to add some text alongside it. Go back to the Add Elements menu and choose Text. Wix offers various paragraph styles to enhance how the text appears on your page. Choose the one that makes your content stand out and aligns with the overall style of your website. After selecting the right paragraph style, take a moment to align the text box. Placing it to one side of your image often works best, as it creates a balanced visual structure and ensures that your text and imagery complement each other without competing for attention. Now, if you find a particular element or layout that perfectly fits your page and you want to replicate it, Wix makes it easy to do so. By simply clicking on Duplicate, you can copy elements across your page or even throughout your site. Paste these duplicated elements wherever you need, maintaining consistency and uniformity in your design. As you round off these steps, it's time to choose your starting point. This choice dictates the foundational layout of your web page and can greatly influence your design process moving forward. Once you're all set, if there's anything you find that doesn't quite fit, remember, you have the option to delete any element that you feel no longer serves your page's original idea or aesthetics. That's it. Now you know the basics of adding and arranging elements in Wix to enhance your website's appearance and functionality. Whether it's your business site or a personal blog, this guide sets you on the path to creating something impactful and special. Thanks for watching, and